Hi, I'm Kyle with Maverick Car Company, and today we're going to answer a few questions for you. So a spark plug is basically part of the ignition system on your car. It's what ignites the air-fuel ratio that's in your cylinders and basically is what powers your car and keeps it going. So if you have a spark plug that's going bad or a wire that's grounding out to somewhere on the engine block, you can feel either it kind of feels like a stumble or somebody knocking on either your steering wheel or the vehicle itself. But a misfire is basically kind of like a thumping, thudding feel. You'll know it won't feel smooth as far as like a normal engine operation goes.
Okay.
So getting your spark plugs checked should be about every 20 to 50,000 miles. The life of spark plugs on some vehicles now are under the 50,000 mile mark and some range up to 100,000 miles, but you should have them checked regularly by your technician.